اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa hlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Welcome back, brothers and sisters. Alhamdulillah, we are making a steady and slow progress. So, inshallah, in today's session, we're going to learn about a demonstrative pronoun called tilka and its alternate or alternative, what is called as a badl, inshallah. So, before we go, so as usual, I want you to all have a very thorough understanding and memorization of these pronouns. So we do huwa, huma, hum, hiya, huma, hunna, anta, antuma, antum, anti, antuma, antunna, ana, nahnu. And at the same time, we're going to practice our verb conjugation as well. I understand some people are having difficulty in understanding the verbs. The more you write, practice them, inshallah, it will be easy. So today's verb is dakhala. Dakhala means he entered. Dakhala means he entered. So those two men entered is dakhala. All of those men entered is dakhalu. She entered dakhalat. Those two women entered dakhalata. So all of those women entered is dakhalna. You male entered. You as a male dakhalta. You two males entered dakhaltuma. All of you men entered dakhaltum. You female, you entered dakhalti. You two females entered dakhaltuma. All of you women entered. All of you women entered dakhaltunna. I entered dakhaltu. I entered is dakhaltu. We entered is dakhalna. So inshallah, write and practice will be very helpful, inshallah. Going to our session, inshallah. So we're going to do today tilka. So what is tilka? We've done zalika in our earlier sessions, which means that, which is used for a masculine or males and to point things which are far from you. Hada is near and dhalika is far, and those two are for masculine objects or for males. And we did alhamdulillah hadi in our previous session, which is used as a demonstrative pronoun for near for women or feminine objects. So tilka is that, it is demonstrative pronoun for objects, and it is for females or feminine objects. And in Arabic it's called as Ismul Isharati. Ism means noun, Ishara means pointing. So noun of pointing, Lil Ba'id, which is the things which are far, and it is Mu'annath, is for feminine. So let's do some examples, inshallah. So we got Tilka Mudarrisatun, that is a teacher. Mudarrisatun, so ta marbuta is feminine. So we got Mubtada. This same thing will come as a mubtada. Tilka, like hada, hadihi, dhalika. Tilka will be mubtada, and mudarrisatun, an indefinite noun, will be khabar, and you can see ta marbuta. So they have to match, inshallah. So we'll go tilka haqibatun. It can be female or it can be a feminine object. Haqiba is bag. So tilka haqibatun. So it used for both human beings and for objects. So let's practice all the pronouns, demonstrative pronouns. Hadihi and tilka combined, inshallah. So if I'm telling man hadihi, who is this? And if this is Amina, they say hadihi aminatu. Hadihi aminatu. So just remind you that aminatu has single dhamma in natural studies called dip tot, so it doesn't take kasra. Okay. So waman tilka, and who is that? So I was telling who is this and who is that. Woman tilka, say this is that is Fatima. Tilka Fatimatu. Tilka Fatimatu. Hadihi imra'atun. This is a lady. So the point to be noted here is that imra'atun is got double tanween because imra'a, the woman, is not a particular name, it's a category. So if it is feminine category, it will take double dhamma. If it is particular name, a feminine name, it will have single dhamma. Please keep this in mind, inshallah. And we're telling, and she is from Indonesia. Say, Wahiya min Indonesia. Wahiya min Indonesia. So same thing here, same concept. Tilka, that is a child. Tilka tiflatun. Tiflatun is a category, it's not a name of a lady. So we get double dhamma. Tilka tiflatun, and that is a child. And she is from India. Wahiya min al Hind. Wahiya min al Hind. And it's a this. We're using this is an elder. Hadihi kabiratun. Double dhamma is feminine category. Hadihi is mubtada, kabiratun is khabar. So we're going to put is here. This is an elder, we can say. And that is a younger. وَتِلْكَ صَغِيرَةٌ. وَتِلْكَ صَغِيرَةٌ. Now we got here. مَا ذَلِكَ. What is that? مَا ذَلِكَ. ذَلِكَ is for mudakkar. So it's not tilka, it's dhalika. So dog is a male dog we are pointing at. So you say dhalika kalbun. Dhalika kalbun. Let's say wama tilka. Ma means what. If you just remind you that ma is used for objects and man is used for human beings. So we used man, so now we're using ma. So we're telling ma tilka, what is that? And they say tilka baydatun. Tilka baydatun, that is an egg. Tilka baydatun, indefinite noun. I want you to note that the combination is always a demonstrative pronoun and indefinite noun ending with two tanween. Okay, all the sentences what we're doing so far. So ma tilka, and what is that? Say that is a hen. So it's a tilka dajajatun. Dajajatun is a hen. Tilka dajajatun, is this a hen? So obviously, whenever you have a, so you're expecting answer in yes or no. So if you say, is this a hen? Is that a hen? Tilka dajajatun? You're saying la. Tilka batatun. Is it? Right. So it's a very good exercise here, inshallah. So I want you to just look at the khabar and bring a demonstrative pronoun as a mubtada. So we know that the khabar and mubtada have to match each other. So we have here ummun, and in the blues writing in English it says, it gives us the mubtada. So we are going to say that is a mother. That is a mother. So we want to use a feminine demonstrative pronoun for that. Ismul Ishara lil ba'id. Okay, mu'annath. So it will be tilka. Tilka ummun. That is a mother, even though not there's no ta marbuta because mother is feminine. That is a pen. Qalamun. So qalamun is a masculine object. So what do we use as that here? Maybe dhalika. Dhalika qalamun. So we learned in previous session that body parts which are in pairs are feminine. So if you want to use that is an eye, so how do we use that feminine? Is tilka. Tilka aynun. Tilka aynun. Qamisun. Qamisun is shirt, the masculine object, and we're telling that is a shirt. So we say dhalika. Dhalika qamisun. Asma. So just remind you again, we did this section that a noun which ends with alif and hamza, that is alif mamduda, is a feminine. So we say tilka asma. Rajulun. Rajulun means man. So we're telling that is a man. So we have to use a male demonstrative pronoun للبعيد, that is ذلك. Same thing here. Let's we just quickly go through this. Abun. Abun is a male. So we use ذلك abun. ملعقة تا مربوطة feminine. So we say تلك ملعقة. Hajarun is male object. So we say that is a stone. Say ذلك حجر. And نافذة is window. نافذة means window, and it's feminine word. So we say use تلك. Jamalun is camel, and it is a male camel. So we say ذلك جمل معذن, the one who calls for prayer. مؤذن, so you say ذلك مؤذن. So that's the answers if you want to know. So another good exercise, same thing, we got both mubtada and khabar, and we have to match. So we got a khabar on this side, so use the appropriate mubtada using hada, hadihi, ذلك, tilka. These are the 4 demonstrative pronouns we have done so far, inshallah. So it's a very easy exercise. So I want you to stop it, write it, and match it. Inshallah, this will be very useful. And once you've done it, so you got answers here. Let's have a look at this and match your answers. Inshallah, that should be good. So that is the use of demonstrative pronouns hadi, hada, hadihi, dhalika, tilka. As I said before, what we have done is we got a demonstrative pronoun, like for example here, hada talibun. So we got demonstrative pronoun and we have indefinite noun, and it is a complete sentence. If we say this is a student, it's a complete sentence. So we're going to learn another interesting point in using these demonstrative pronouns like hada, hadi, dhalika, and tilka. What is that called? It's called a badal. So what is a badal? If I bring you hada, which means this, hada means this, baytun, I'm telling this is a house. It's a complete sentence. Hada baytun. So we got mubtada, which is definite. Hada is a definite, because all demonstrative pronouns or all pronouns are definite. And we got khabar, one word, which is indefinite. So that makes a complete sentence. So if I'm bringing another mubtada, which is called al baytu, it's a definite because you got al, one dhamma. So we're telling the house, al baytu jamilun. Al baytu jamilun, that means the house is beautiful. So here we got this is a house, and we got the house is beautiful. So if you want to say this house, how do we say? So we say هذا البيت جميل. This house is beautiful. So let's use our knowledge of mubtada and khabar and try and analyze this. So if I am telling هذا is coming as a mubtada, then what is this al baytu? Is that a mubtada? Is that a khabar? What is it? This is what we learn. Hada is mubtada. Al baytu is what we call it as a badal for hada. And here the both together is an incomplete phrase. It is not a full sentence. We're selling this house, so we're expecting more news. Somebody has to tell what about this house. You say this house is beautiful. So it is not this is a house is beautiful. It is this house is beautiful. So the noun, if we give one more example, which comes after hada and which has got definite, it's called badal, and it is connected. The both are connected. Okay, this is how we recognize. So when we talk in English, so somebody says this house or this man, so we understand nobody has to tell that this is badal. So we can say this man is nice, is a good man. This lady is a good lady. So, but in Arabic, how do you identify this fragment, like this man, this car, this bag? So this is how we understand. So if we give another example, هذا مدرس. This is a teacher, and we want to say المدرس جديد. The teacher is new. So we want to say this teacher is new. This particular teacher. So you have to use this, a demonstrative pronoun, and we have to tell this teacher. So we use al-mudarris. So if you just say هذا مدرس جديد, that is wrong. So you're telling this is a teacher, and so you're making it two different sentences here, but we want to make a one single sentence. So we say this teacher is good. So we want to put is after the teacher, so we have to bring al. So the noun which comes after demonstrative pronoun with al is called badal. هذا المدرس هذا الكتاب جديد هذه السيارة. So this is what we learn, the demonstrative pronoun and a noun which comes with al after it is called badal, and we are expecting some news. So we're telling هذا المدرس. So what about this teacher? جديد. So we'll put is here. This teacher is new. So let's do some examples, inshallah. So we got here lil mudir. So we learned that la harf jar li means belongs to or for. Mudir is headmaster. So we want to say this car belongs to the director or headmaster of the school. So we say car is a muannas. So this. So we say هذه السيارة. هذه السيارة. هذه plus السيارة. That definite noun with al. So it's هذه السيارة للمدير. So this car belongs to the director. So we want to say that watch is from Switzerland. Watch means sa'atun. So again this is a feminine word. So we use it to as that. No, say tilka. So we don't use tilka sa'atun. We say tilka sa'atun. So with al. Tilka sa'atun min Swissra. Min Swissra. Switzerland is called Swissra. So wasikhun, we want to say that handkerchief is dirty. So handkerchief is a masculine object. So we say dhalikal mindilu. Dhalikal mindilu. Dhalika plus al mindilu. So we say dhalikal mindilu. What about this? That handkerchief, let's say, is dirty. Wasikhun. So khabar is one word and it is indefinite. So we say this doctor. Doctor is tabibun. So it's a in a natural form it's a male, so we consider this as a male doctor. So hadat tabibu. So we say hadat tabibu. Hada plus at tabibu, we read it as hadat tabibu min al Hind. So he is from India. This doctor is from India. Zalika tabibu. And we got Hadat Tabib min al Hind, and we have here Ibnu Khalidin. So again, we're bringing everything together what we learned. Mudaf, Mudaf ilayhi. Okay, it's coming as a khabar. So we need to have a mubtada and a badal. So mubtada is that. So we say dhalika, and we need to boy is badal. So dhalikal waladu. Dhalikal waladu Ibn Khalidin, son of Khalid. So same thing here. This house. So this is mubtada. House. This house is a male object. So we say hadal baytu. Hadal baytu lil muhandis. This house. Hada is mubtada. Al baytu is badal. And lil muhandis is jar majrur shibu jumla khabar. So this is how we analyze. So it will be easy for us to understand. So we'll do more exercise, inshallah. So these are the answers. If you want to write down and practice, okay, and compare. So we're going to learn liman. So we just briefly touched liman means it is a combination of li and man. Li is harf jar and man is a noun. We know it's a noun. So jar majrur. So it's a combination of jar majrur, but it is used to ask questions. So we are asking liman means to whom does it belong to? So we are asking about this particular book. So whom does this book belong to? Liman hadal kitabu. So now we have hadal kitabu li Muhammadin. So we told yesterday that when a question begins with a harf jar, the answer will have the same harf jar. Hadal kitabu li Muhammadin. So we got answer here. So we got to use the answer. So second question here. Liman hadihil mil'aqatu. Mil'aqatu means spoon. To whom does this spoon belong to? This was liman hadihil mil'aqatu. We're telling this spoon. So we got hadihi mubtada, al mil'aqatu badal for hadihi. Hadihil mil'aqatu lit talibi for the student. Talibu, at talibu is the student. So lit talibi. So we touched this as well yesterday in the previous session that when harf jar comes before al, then this alif is dropped. So that's why it is lit tabibi. So now we know that here it is actually li plus at tabibi. So it's written and read as lit tabibi. So let's do some more example for liman inshallah. So we get used to this. So liman hadihil fakihatu. So we have got here answer. So we need to use the harf jar li and give a full sentence. Whose fruit is this? Fakiha means fruit. So now we have to bring hadihil fakihatu, this fruit. So hadihi is mubtada, al fakihatu is badal, and we have to say li fatimata. Remember, a name, particular name of female does not take kasra. It's a dip tone. So when a harf jar comes, it is still a ism majroor, but it will have fatha. It will have fatha. So that is how we have to read and say. So we say hadihil fakihatu li fatimata. So then we are telling here the next one. Liman hadal baitu. To whom does this house belong to? Or we say whose house is this? Liman hadal baitu. So we say hadal baitu. Hada mubtada al baitu badal. And say we got here at tabibu. We will say lit tabibi. Jar majrur shiba jumla khabar. So again here, let's do some more practice inshallah. Liman hadihil baqaratu. Baqaratu means cow. So whose cow is this? So we say al fallah. Al fallah is a farmer. So we say hadihil baqaratu. This cow. Then we need more. So we say what is the khabar for this cow? This cow belongs to lil fallah. Say lil fallah. So liman hadal qalamu. To whom does this pen belong to? Got answer here. Abbasun. How do we say? Hadal qalamu li Abbasin. Li Abbasin. Abbasun will becomes Abbasin. So all your knowledge will come together in understanding the whole sentence properly inshallah. So liman hadihi dajajatu. To whom does this chicken or hen belongs to? We say bintul fallah. So mudaf ilayhi. That is the khabar. So we need to bring mubtada inshallah. So hadihi dajajatu. This hen belongs to. So we need to put li. Li binti. Bintu will becomes binti. Li bintil fallahi. Fallahi will remain same. Hadihi dajajatu li bintil fallahi. Liman hadal kursiyu. To whom does this chair belongs to? To whose chair is this? So we say hadal kursiyu. Hadal kursiyu. Hada mubtada al kursiyu badal. And we say lil mudarrisi. Lil mudarrisi. Jar majrur shibu jumla khabar. So these are the answers for you, inshallah. So this is just a quick revision again. So this watch, so now we have to put this and bring a badal for it. So here the badal is watch. So how do you say hada? Hadihi saatu. Watch is feminine, saatu. Hadihi saatu. From is min. So min Almania. This watch. Hadihi saatu min Almania. So now we got mubtada, we got badal, and we also got zarf here. Remember zarf, and the noun comes after zarf is a mudaf ilayhi. So we got here hadihi saburatu. Saburatu means blackboard. This blackboard. Then we got a news here. Khalfa is behind. Then we need to know behind what. So it says behind the teacher. So we say khalfa, khalfal mudarrisi. Khalfal mudarrisi. The teacher, behind the teacher. Maftuhun. Something is open. What is it? This window. So you're telling. So window means nafidatun. So we say hadihin nafidatu. Hadihin nafidatu maftuhun. It's be maftuhatun. It's a tricky one there. It's al mustashfa. So if you can write this, just put your head, write this, inshallah. Khalid went. Zahaba Khalidun. Zahaba Khalidun. Remember, Zahaba always comes with the harf jar ila. Like in English, we always say went to. We never say Khalid went hospital. We say Khalid went to hospital. I went to. They went to. To is ila. So always use Zahaba with ila. Zahaba Khalidun. Khalidun went ilal mustashfa. To mustashfa. So here Jumlatul Fa'liya, just for you to refresh, and we say door. Door means bab, this door. Hadal babu. Hadal babu. So that is mubtada, and badal is the door. Hadal babu mughlaqun is closed. And sikinun is knife. So here is another tricky one, just to trick you. It's just say this is a knife. So I say hada sikinun. So this is not a badal, this is a full sentence. Just two words. Hada sikinun. So that's the answers. So try and practice, try and write, inshallah. It's a big lesson, but try and take it slowly so you know all the concept. It's just that practice, and inshallah you will do it and you can understand. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi